How to find the intersecting numbers of three arrays. Problem statement: the input is three stored arrays A1, A2, and A3, and the output is the array of the intersecting numbers, which would be 6 and 13, because they are in all three arrays. Algorithm overview. X, Y, and Z point to the beginning of the array. Advance X when A1 X is smaller than A2 Y. X would be in the first array, Y would be in the second array, and Z would be in the third array. Advance Y when A2Y is smaller than A3Z. And then advance Z when none of the above are true. So we make a function called intersection where we pass in all three arrays. Then we make an output array and we initialize X, Y, and Z to be 0. We have a while loop that keeps going as long as none of the pointers are pointing at the end of an array. So since 2 is smaller than 3, you advance X to be 6. And then since 3 is smaller than 4, you advance Y to be 6. And since none of the above are true anymore, you advance Z. And then you advance Z again because 6 is not smaller than 6 and 6 is not smaller than 5. And then since they're all the same, you append 6 to the output array, and then you increment every pointer so it's pointing at one above where it was originally the 6 it was pointing at. And then since 9 is not smaller than 7, but 7 is smaller than 9, you increment Y. And then since 9 is smaller than 10, you increment X. And since none of the above are true, you increment Z. And then since 10 is smaller than 11, you increment Y again. So now it is 13. Since none of the above are true, you increment Z. And then you increment X because 11 is smaller than 13. And now since they're all 13, you add 13 to the output array, and then you increment every pointer. Since the Z pointer is pointing at the end of the array, you go out of the while loop and you return the output array. So it will return 6 and 13, which are the intersecting numbers. Thank you for watching.